good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 21 from verse 1 to verse 4. Who give the most? Jesus look up and see the rich people them are putting for them sitting where them are give for offering in the offering box. He see one poor woman where husband dead are putting 2 cents too. Jesus say, me I tell you the truth. That poor woman where husband dead put in more than the rest of them. All of them here people give for them offering out of where them have for spare. But that woman here, even though she poor, she get everything where she have. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God